Yeah, good afternoon. On this Sunday afternoon, welcome to the Professor Dor Show. So today I'm going to teach you a few Kiswahili words. Kiswahili language is the biggest language here in East Africa. It's spoken by over 200 million people, both as a first language or mother tongue, and also an official language in many of the countries here. So it's a very popular language here, and people like it. We speak it. So how do you say? If you come to East African country, let's say you come to Kenya, how do you greet someone? Today we're going to look at Kiswahili greetings in short. Kiswahili greetings. How do you greet someone? You say jambo. You say jambo. That means hello. Then the person will respond jambo. So just say jambo, the person will say jambo. Just that way, very easy. And then we also have, here in Kenya, people like saying habari yako. Habari yako, meaning how are you? Habari yako. How are you? So how does the person answer? They'll say poa. I'm fine. Poa means fine. So you say someone habari yako, they say fine. But if you find that too long, you can just say jambo. The person will say jambo. Okay, move on. Good morning. How do you say good morning in Swahili here in Kenya? Habari ya asubuhi. Habari ya asubuhi. Then someone will answer, they say njema ama mzuri. Habari ya asubuhi, that's good morning. Then the person will say njema ama mzuri. Just say mzuri. That means fine. I'm fine. So habari ya asubuhi, njema or mzuri. But usually people like saying mzuri. And then if it's good afternoon say habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Then the person will say njema ama mzuri. That's good afternoon. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Someone will say mzuri or njema, which means fine. And then we have good evening. Good evening. I was checking there. Good evening. Habari za jioni. Habari za jioni. That's good evening. You say njema or mzuri. Yes, njema or mzuri. Then we move on to good night. Good night. Habari za usiku. Habari za usiku. That's good night. Habari za usiku. And then you say mzuri or njema. That means fine. The day was fine. And lastly, goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye. If you meet one person, then you say goodbye. You say kwaheri. You say kwaheri. One person. One person say kwaheri. That's goodbye. Goodbye means kwaheri. See you. You say kwaheri. That's goodbye. Goodbye is kwaheri. 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 Then the person will also respond kwaheri. Kwaheri. If it's one person. If there are many, kwaherini. If there are many people, maybe you met a few people, there are more than one, you say kwaherini. That means goodbye. And then they'll also say, they'll answer you because maybe you're on your own, they say kwaheri. But if there are many people on both sides, they speak and they hear, you say kwaherini, they respond kwaherini. So kwaheri, kwaherini, kwaherini. Or kwaherini, kwaheri. So goodbye, kwaheri. Then you respond kwaheri. And then the last one is just say, they just repeat, meet someone, say hello, say jambo, they respond jambo. That's the common one. So I hope you can replay the video and see the Kiswahili greetings they have taught you. So have a good day and see you again on this show. Thank you.